Good morning, sir. I am John Lawrence Arguela, and this is my topic is which is the maintaining cleaning equipment presented by me. So let's go to the our objectives. At the end of 60 minutes discussion, students are expected to 1. Define what maintaining cleaning equipment means. Number 2. Recognize the importance of maintaining cleaning equipment in ensuring safety and efficiency. And number 3. Demonstrate the proper steps in cleaning and storing basic cleaning tools and equipment. So let's go to the why do cleaning tools need to be maintained? Proper maintenance of cleaning tools is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, properly maintained cleaning equipment will perform its intended functions more effectively. So, sabi dito, kapag maayos at malinis at hindi sira yung mga gamit natin panlinis, mas madali tayo makakapaglinis at mas effective ito. For example, kung ang walis o mop natin ay malinis at maayos gamitin, mabilis matatanggal yung mga dumi at alikabok. Pero kung sira o marumi yung mga gamit natin, mas mahirap maglinis at minsan mas lalong kumakalat ang dumi. Kaya after gamitin, dapat nilinis natin ng tools or yung mga equipment natin or pinupunasan at tinatago sa tamang lugar para hindi madaling masira at magamit pa ulit sa susunod. So always remember, kapag malinis, maayos at hindi sira ang tools natin, mas mabilis at mas maayos ang paglilinis natin. So yun yung gustong sabihin dito ng why do cleaning tools need to be maintained. So next slide is benefits of cleaning your cleaning tools. Regular maintenance of cleaning tools helps them last longer. This reduces the need for replacements and waste. It also saves you money. Well-maintained tools work better, and proper care prevents damage to both the tools and the surfaces you clean. So, dito naman, kapag regular nating mini-maintain o inaalagaan ang ating mga cleaning tools, mas tumatagal sila o hindi sila madaling masira. So, dahil doon, hindi tayo kailangang palaging bumili ng bago at hindi rin tayo nakakabuo ng maraming basura. Nakakatipid din tayo ng pera. Kapag well-maintained o maayos at hindi siya sira yung mga ginagamit natin, mas maganda ang performance o mas maganda silang gamitin. At syempre, kapag inaalagaan natin ang tools, hindi lang sila ang hindi nasisira. Pati na rin yung mga nililinis natin, hindi rin madaling magasgas o masira. Kaya importante talaga na after gamitin, nililinis o pinupunasan at iniingatan natin yung mga cleaning tools natin. So that is the benefits of cleaning your cleaning tools. So next is how to clean your broom. After sweeping, clean the bristles by removing hair, dust, and dirt. You can tap the broom on the ground or use a handheld brush to clean it. So dito naman, after natin magwalis, dapat nililinis din natin yung bristles o yung mga hibla ng walis. Tanggalin natin yung mga buhok, alikabok at dumi na kumapit. Pwede nating ipagpag o itapik sa sahig yung walis para matanggal ang dumi. Kaya gusto natin mas malinis, pwede rin gumamit, kung gusto natin mas mapabilis yung paglilinis natin, pwede rin gumamit ng maliit na brush o handle brush para linisin ito. Kapag ganun lagi, hindi siya masisira at mas matagal pa natin magagamit yung walis or yung broom. So that is the how to clean your broom. So next, mop maintenance. After each use, rinse the mop head well to remove dirt and soap. You can wash it by hand or with a washing machine. Use mild detergent and warm water. Do not use bleach or fabric softeners. Always store mop heads upside down to avoid mildew and keep their shape. So after natin gamitin ang mop, kailangan natin banlawan o i-rinse ito ng maayos para matanggal ang dumi at sabon. Pwede natin itong labhan gamit ang kamay o ilagay sa washing machine. Gumamit lang tayo ng mild detergent at warm water para hindi masira ang mop. So, huwag tayong gagamit ng bleach o fabric softener kasi mas nasisira yung mop neto. At syempre, dapat lagi natin tinatago ang mop head na nakataob o upside down para hindi ito magkaroon ng amoy, amag, at para hindi siya masira o mawala ang hugis nito. So, that is the mop maintenance. So, next is cleaning vacuum cleaners. So, empty the vacuum's dustbin often. If it uses a bag, replace it when it's about 2/3 full to keep strong suction. Also, clean or replace the filters regularly. This prevents clogs and keeps the airflow smooth. So, dapat lagi nating ine-empty o tinatanggal ang mga laman ng dustbin ng vacuum. Kung ang vacuum natin ay may bag, dapat pinapalitan nito kapag mga 2/3 full na. Kapag malakas pa rin ang suction o higop ng vacuum. Importante rin na linisin o palitan ang filters regularly para hindi ito mabarahan at tuloy-tuloy ang airflow. Kapag ganito lagi ang ginagawa natin, hindi siya madaling masira at mas gumaganda ang performance ng vacuum. So, that's all po. Thank you po, Sir Albert.